How you doing, everybody? And thanks for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings here with a gorgeous 2020 F-450 Super Duty. As you can see, this particular one happens to be a platinum, and we did a whole bunch of stuff to it. So you'll be able to check the description of the video for links to all available products. You can email us with any other questions at info@wickedwarnings.com. Again, any questions, please email in or check the video links for more information in the description. What we're running on this truck, I'm going to break it down for you kind of quick in the front. We've got a Wicked Warnings auto flasher module on the 5 cab lights on the roof. We've got a Wicked Warnings auto flasher module on the amber mirror lights. Another auto flasher module on the white mirror lights. We've got Wicked Warnings Thin-X LIN series lights. Those are down in the fog bezel facing forward, as well as the grille outer edges. 4 in the grille, 2 in the fog bezel. We've got a Wicked Warnings auto flasher module on the amber parking strip in that 2020 headlight. Stay tuned. When the headlight white DRLs become available, we will let you know. Right now, we messed around and got the amber strip on this particular build. We're also featuring our TIR3 in green, as well as our ECO HAW in amber down in the fog bezel facing straight sideways. And we have our mini thin light in an amber white on the tow hook bezel facing forward. We did a bunch of custom work in the grille of this truck, mounting 3 Baja Designs 10-inch light bars. We've got an amber one down in the lower bumper, and we've also got 2 white ones in the grille. You can see there we have the amber one illuminated. That's a combo spot driving lens on there. And there you can see we've illuminated the 2 10-inch bars hiding behind the grille. Now, given the grille structure, if you've ever seen this removed, and check the end of the video clips, I might include some pictures. There's not much room behind these 2020s. We were very fortunate to be able to fit the light bars that we did behind the grille of this one. We also feature our flood mode, very popular on this build. What we've tied into that right now are the 4 grille Thin-X lights, as well as the forward mirror lights. Around the back, we've got some things tied into it as well. Flood mode will work with or without the warning. So as you can see, if you happen to have the warning on, the flood mode will simply still activate and not be affected. Here you can see a little better shot of that mini thin that we hid in the badge there. Now, that is a Recon light up aftermarket badge, so our popular Thin-X wouldn't fit, but we were able to fit a mini thin. And as another bonus, this particular truck, we went ahead and smoked all the light lenses for a very stealth appearance. You can see we've also put some American Force rims and a nice set of tires on this vehicle as well. And here, just to show you a little bit more about what I'm saying with the smoked light, you can see there, turn the camera flash on, how that lens in there has been smoked. So it pretty much disappears when the light's not on. Around the back, we've done a variety of things, but to start with, you can see there, we've tapped into the forward amber fender light by customer's request and added one of our Wicked Warnings auto flasher modules only to the amber. This customer did not want to flash the red rear fender light. There was a spec on this job, absolutely no red flashing. So, as you can see, we grabbed only the forward fender light and left the red steady, as well as the tail lights steady. Now, underneath that tail light on the side, you'll see a LIN-6, and that's in amber white. And now, as I come around the back, you can see we have our 12-inch Thin-X strips. We've got our Wicked Warnings auto flasher on the reverse lights, as well as our auto flasher on the cargo circuit, flashing that cargo light up high. And we went ahead and included the keyhole light on the tailgate. If you want details on how to do that, email in, and I'll tell you the secret on how to get to that keyhole light wire, in addition to the cargo light wire. We've got our TIR3s in green on each side of the license plate there as well. Here's a little bit better shot, a little bit farther back. There you go, there's a little bit better shot for you. I could turn the ISO down for you just a little bit so you get a little bit better. See the colors just a little bit better when I do that with the camera, but this will be putting it on auto. It's just regular daylight. These are all controlled off the factory auxiliary switches. Once again, please send an email in if you have any questions about this build, and the available products that we do have for sale will be linked in the description. I almost forgot to mention, the rear of this truck also has a flood mode. So out back, when your flood mode's active, you're going to be grabbing the cargo lights, the reverse lights, and those Thin-X strips underneath the tailgate. That's what the flood mode switch does out back. I thank you again for watching Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for construction and emergency safety strobe lighting and equipment. And we thank you again for staying tuned for new videos. Be sure to like and subscribe, drop a comment, and share with all your favorite friends. And thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings.